Hi, my name is Nicole White-Kennedy. Welcome to this brief sampling of one of my art videos. Here I'll be demonstrating techniques using a palette knife with cold wax on canvas. Thanks for watching this short demo. Please visit my website at nicolestudio.com for a full palette knife and cold wax demo. From what's on my color palette to discussing in-depth color harmony, values, palette knife techniques, edges, and more as you watch the painting develop. Please follow me on YouTube and Instagram. And please visit my website at nicolestudio.com for full art videos, art workshops, and available art. Thanks.